Hey, what's up, everybody? Guess what happened to me when I got in my car last night and shut the door? My door handle broke off. Here it is right here. So, what I'm going to do is try to make a quick fix, because it's kind of hard to get the inner panel, or another door panel rather. It's kind of hard to get a door panel to repair this, and I didn't really want to spend the money for the door panel. These things could get quite expensive, so I'm gonna figure out a way how to fix this. Stay tuned. So this handle is made of plastic with a chrome coating off of it. Some of the chrome chipped off on the inner panel, as you can see. But I'm going to try to rig up something to install this door panel back on, install this door handle back on the panel without having to buy another panel right now. So I popped out one of the ends that sits in like this. So this looks like it could be a simple fix. Just put a longer screw and drill in a small hole in the back, probably with about a 2.5 inch or 3 inch, probably stainless steel screw, and I'll be able to mount this handle back without having to buy a door panel at this time. But let's see if it's going to work. So this is the original screw that came out of the door panel here. It sits way back in there. It's a Torx head. So I pull that out. I'll have to do the same with this and pull this other plastic piece out that's broken off. And I got my trusty tape measure here. And from the top of the handle to the base of the handle, it's about 3 inches. So I would need a screw, probably I'll say 3.5 inches. So I'm on my way to Home Depot. See if I can get a 3.5 inch stainless steel screw to fix this. So I went to Home Depot and I picked up a pair of 1/4 inch by 3 inch pan head sheet metal screws. So I took the broken piece out of the door, and when I fit it on the handle, it seemed like it lines up right where this square is. So I will drill a hole right in the square, in the little box, and that should I'll be able to push the screw through into the door, and hopefully that'll work. So I drilled a small pilot hole first, and then I followed it up with a 1/4 inch hole using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Okay, and I did it on both sides of the handle. I took a piece of scrap wood, cut it down to 13 inches long, 1/4 inch wide, and 3/4 inch height. Using a 15/32 inch bit, I drilled the hole larger in both sides of the handle, and I broke off the tabs on each side. This side I just have to break these little tabs off. And now when you look through the door handle, it goes straight through. It has a couple of little tabs inside, but basically it runs straight through. the little piece of wood that I cut out, I'll slide through the tube, through the door handle tube. Then I drilled a 1/4 inch hole in each side of the wood. And then I basically just slid the piece of wood inside of the door handle. I have to clean the wood up, but you see it just slides in. Line it up with the holes. Of the door handle. And now I'm just basically putting the stainless steel screws through the hole and through the wood in the door handle. As so. So now I have the screw through the door handle and in the wood. And now you just screw it back into the car, onto the car. Now the door handle is fixed and it's strong this time with the wood holding it. You could use probably flat steel bar, you know, something, but since this is made out of plastic, I use wood since wood is kind of lightweight, just like this. Or if I had a piece of thick plastic to put inside, I could have used that also. And then the next thing you could do, you could just get rubber grommets, which I'm going to do, to plug the holes for the screws. So if you ever want to take it off in the future, if you have to fix something in the door panel, you can, just by popping off the rubber grommets. And now you have access to the screws that's up in there. I have these assortment of rubber grommets and plugs that I picked up from an advanced auto store. And this is about the right size to cap off the holes. So it looks pretty good, almost factory-like once I plug this last one in. So that's a cheap and easy way to fix your broken door handle on your Chrysler Crossfire. All right, until next time, I'm out.